Say hi, Brian. Oh, where did Asher go? Oh, there he is. If you want a chainsaw. Okay, Asher. We're gonna test out Brad May's sawdust cut that he sent me the other day.
Is that the one Jamie talked about as well?
Probably.
Where you start cutting in and then you switch the side of the bar so it's shooting sawdust in the middle so your saw never gets pinched?
Well, yes.
Okay.
But we'll explain that a little bit more here in a minute, as soon as you get ready to roll here.
New things, but not less new.
So this is in response to the quick tip that Brad May sent me the other day. That's also on the page. So just the, well, first of all, Asher, we can't make a sawdust cut without buckling our chin strap.
Yes. I haven't tightened the saw yet though, but alright. Get it out of the way.
So, sawdust cut or kerf cut, or I've heard it called a number of different things, essentially is when you're gonna plunge the tip of your bar into or just past the middle of the tree, and we're gonna circle it with the top of the bar, and that's gonna jam sawdust into your cut the whole way around. And I have done it with large diameter wood, done it with small stuff, but essentially you'll get the log or piece or pick or whatever sitting on that kerf of sawdust, and you can pull your bar out and you're good to go.
That's normal.
No, that's not normal.
Chin strap done.
Okay, Asher's going to demonstrate another use of our sawdust cut. On the trunk here, I just talked to the crane operator. He has about 100 pounds on here. So, yeah, nothing. That's the weight of the ball, and a little bit on the slings, just enough that it can't tip over if something were to go haywire here. So, all right, have at it.
Which way?
I said, did you think it's going to tip? I saw it move a little bit. I think it just set down.
Yeah.
Can you pull it out and just give the saw some throttle and finish out that cut and pull it out? Okay, shut it off. Oh.
It might be finished.
Well, it's either finished or our cut didn't work the way it was supposed to. All right, winch up real easy, Brian. Winch up real easy. Apparently, it was finished.
It was finished.
But it's all still got a little tight.
But I can get it out once you lift it. Spin my head right. Sort of looks like Gumby.
I was thinking the same thing.
Yep. sawdust there in the middle. So what must have happened is when I finished the cut here, I had enough sawdust to keep it off my bar here, but it leaned this way and pinched me at the end.
Yeah. No, that worked just fine. I mean, that's acceptable in my book.
Yeah, I consider it a pass.
Piece of wood to sit down on your saw when you're done. But you can see, got that nice 1/8 inch packed sawdust all over the stump the piece of wood was sitting on. Good job, Asher.
Thank you, sir.